Okay, today we learned about troubleshooting. My name is Ruben. Today we have TYPP, and what we did today was we had a working computer, and we created a problem and we tried to solve it. So what I did was I disassembled every connection from the motherboard power supply to the fan power supply and everything. I tried to fix everything back. It was still not working. Then I forgot about the front panel. Then I removed the jumper, replaced it. I did everything. It was not turning on. Finally, when I did the front panel thing, it turned on finally, and it's working again.